Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Bird's Nest. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. Featuring lake views, the Bird's Nest provides accommodations with a patio and a coffee machine, around 3.2 miles from Alpine Slide at Magic Mountain. It features mountain views and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Including 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a bath or shower, this vacation home features a cable TV and DVD player. Towels and bed linen are featured. Big Bear Marina is 3.4 miles from the vacation home, while Lakeview Shopping Center is 1.8 miles away. The nearest airport is Palm Springs International Airport, 35 miles from the Bird's Nest. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.